Are you running out of storage? This video is for you. Or you want to free up your phone storage but you don't want to delete important documents of yours? This video is for you. In this video, I'll take you through how to free up your phone storage by utilizing the Telegram messaging app. Telegram offers a range of features that can help you optimize your phone storage. Telegram uses a unique compression algorithm that allows it to store media files more efficiently than other messaging apps. This means that even if you have a large collection of photos, videos, or documents, Telegram can help you save space on your phone. One thing I like about Telegram is that even after 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, you can still have access to all your informations. Even if you lose your phone, then you get another phone. When you log in into your Telegram account, you will still have access to all your informations. Let me show you a proof of what I'm going to teach you in this video. So I'm going to launch my Telegram. Yes, so this is my Telegram, and then I'll search for where I have been hiding my pictures and videos. Yes, so this is it. So you can see these are videos and pictures. So all these pictures and videos are not in my gallery. So I'm saving space on Telegram. So anytime I need these videos, I'll just come and then save it. Yes, I'll just come and save it. So these are the videos and pictures I have on my Telegram. If you watch to the end, you'll discover how to free up your phone storage to have enough space to download whatever you want to download. If you are new here, smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Now let's get started. So all you need to do is to download Telegram. If you don't have it on your phone, you can also update it if it is old. So after downloading it on Play Store or App Store, then you open it. So when you open your Telegram, for iPhone users or iOS users, all you need to do is to click on this box with a pencil. Yes, so you click on it. So when you click on it, you can either create a group or a channel. So it depends on you. You can click on the new group to create a new group. You can also click on new channel to create a new channel. They are all the same. So I'll go for new channel. So you click on the new channel. When you click on the new channel, you go ahead to click on create channel. Go ahead to click on create channel. So here you will have to name the channel. How do you want to save the videos or your pictures or your document? So I'm going to save it as Money Literate videos. So all Money Literate videos, I'm going to be saving it on this channel. So description, you can add anything. For me, I won't add anything at the description. So I have my Money Literate videos. So after you are done, you click on next. So when you click on next, so we have public, we have private. So keep it at private. Yes, when you put it on public, other people can see those videos you have saved. So you leave it at private, then click on next. You click on next. Will you like to add somebody into that channel or the group? So if it is yes, then you add somebody. If you don't want to add somebody to the group or the channel, you click on next. So you have created a channel. So all you need to do is to send the videos or the documents or the pictures or any other thing you want to save on this channel. So you can go ahead to your gallery. You can go ahead to your gallery and then you send all the pictures, all the videos, all the documents in that channel. So you can input everything there. So when you send, you can go ahead to delete it in your gallery, meaning you are saving storage. Do you get? So anytime you want those pictures, anytime you want those videos, anytime you want those documents, you just go to the Telegram and then search for the name you have named that that channel or that group, and then you will have access to everything. So that is that for iPhone users. So with Android users, when you launch your Telegram, on top here you see these three lines, these three short lines. So you click on the three short lines, so you will see new group. So we have new group here. You click on it, they will ask you, could you like to add somebody to the group? You can go ahead and then you click on this arrow if you don't want to add anybody into that group. If you don't want to add anybody to also have access to that, so you just go ahead. So here, as usual, you name the group. So money literate pictures. So all money literate pictures, I'm going to be saving it in this group. So you go ahead to check. You have created your group. So all you need now to do is to input your pictures or your documents or your videos in that particular group. So I have the picture symbol here. I'll click on it. It will direct me to my gallery. So this is my gallery. I will now input all the pictures, all the videos into that group, so that anytime I need those pictures, if I need those videos, I'll go to that group on Telegram to retrieve it. Yes, so after inputting all your pictures, your videos, your documents, you can delete it in your gallery to save storage or to free your storage. So I'm going to add these pictures. So it will load. When it loads, those pictures will be there forever. It will be there forever and ever. Like I said earlier, after 5 years, after 10 years, after 20 years, after 50 years, you will still have access to all your documents on the Telegram group or channel you have created. So if you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, tell us what you have learned about this video. Thank you so much for watching.